For most of its existence, this factory did not officially exist. No street address, no public records, no photographs permitted.
Check this measurement again.
I am concerned about the weight distribution.
It is precise. We must proceed with the materials we have been allocated.
The MiG production network traces its lineage to Plant No. 30, Znamya Truda, the banner of labor, in Moscow.
This tolerance here on the schematic is incorrect.
Yeah.
We need to adjust the angle by 2 degrees.
So the alignment pin goes here on the fuselage.
That weld point on the fuselage still concerns me. It could affect the structural integrity.
We need to run the stress tests again before they proceed with the wing mount.
The MiG-29's airframe is primarily high-strength aluminum alloy, but titanium reinforces every high-stress zone.
In Russian aerospace manufacturing, every structural part carries a complete biography, material certificate, heat treatment back.
Bring it down 20 millimeters. Watch the clearance on the aft support.
20 millimeters, steady, get coming down.
Square. Right. Proceed. titanium alignment is precise.
Keep it steady. Watch the clearance on the left side. Approaching the station now.
Check the tolerances on section 4, and the readout seems slightly off.
It's within the acceptable margin, but we'll double check the calibration.
Lower slowly, confirming alignment on the starboard side.
Roger that, coming down slowly.
The MiG-29's aerodynamic configuration was deliberately designed for extreme maneuverability. The wide...
The scale of a twin-spool turbofan, stripped of its casing, is always surprising.
The blade material is a nickel alloy with a distinctive silver sheen. Directionally solidified, rather reorganization.
2 RD-33 engines power every MiG-29. Each produces 81 kilonewtons of thrust in afterburner, 18,300 pounds of force.
Thrust, 81.4 kilomates, confirmed.
The blades show the characteristic blue oxidation tint of a full-power run. No cracks, no tip rubs.
We need to verify the CAN bus integrity before proceeding.
I am running the diagnostics now. The results should be ready shortly.
The N019 radar antenna dish, a circular mechanically scanned array, roughly 700 millimeters in diameter.
The modern Zhuk-M builds on that foundation with digital processing, expanded target tracking, and compatibility.
Careful with that torque wrench, it's sensitive.
I have the switch panel.
Easy now, slow it down.
Stopping the hoist.
All right, clear on the left side. Lower it another inch.
Russian combat aircraft were several different schemes, but all of them begin
Are these hydraulic lines certified for Arctic conditions?
Yes, Major. Page 42, paragraph 3 confirms the specifications.
Before any MiG-29 is handed to any customer, it flies.
The crosswind component remains high for runway 29er. What is the updated forecast?
It should drop below the limit within the hour. De-icing is standing by.
Итак, профиль приемочных испытаний. Блок высот от 500 до 17 тысяч метров. Диапазон скоростей от 200 до 200. Это, коллеги, полный охват.
Artem Mikoyan died in 1970. Mikhail Gurevich in 1976.